Welcome to Learn English. Enjoy easy lessons, vocabulary, and grammar, and speak English with confidence. Subscribe and start your English journey today.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Learn English channel. How are you today? If you want to improve your English listening, speaking, vocabulary, and confidence, you are in the right place. Just listen carefully and enjoy the learning process. Today, I am here with Sophia, and today we are going to talk about your friends.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi, Sophia. How are you today?
Hi, Ryan. I am doing very well. How about you?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
That is wonderful.
Sophia, do you think friends are important?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because friends make life happier.
I agree.
Friends can support us when we need help.
That is very true.
Friends can also make us laugh.
Yes, good friends are special.
Absolutely.
Sophia, how many close friends do you have?
I have 3 close friends.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I am very lucky.
How long have you known them?
I have known them for many years.
Wow,
We became friends in school.
that is wonderful.
What about you?
I have 4 close friends.
Really?
Yes,
How did you meet them?
I met 2 of them at school and 2 at work.
That is interesting.
We enjoy spending time together.
What do you usually do with your friends?
We talk, eat together, and watch movies.
That sounds fun.
It is.
I like meeting my friends at a cafe.
Really?
Yes.
What do you do there?
We drink coffee and talk about life.
That sounds relaxing.
It is.
What do you usually talk about?
Work, family, hobbies, and future plans.
Those are good topics.
Yes, we always have something to talk about.
Do your friends have the same hobbies as you?
Some do and some do not.
Can you give an example?
One friend loves reading books like me.
That is nice.
Another friend enjoys sports.
Do you play sports together?
Sometimes.
Which sport?
Badminton.
That is a fun sport.
Yes, I enjoy it.
What qualities do you like in a friend?
I like honest and kind people.
Good answer.
What about you?
I like friends who are supportive.
That is important.
Yes, a good friend listens to you.
I completely agree.
A good friend is there when you need help.
Exactly.
Have your friends ever helped you?
Yes, many times.
Can you tell us about one time?
Of course.
Go ahead.
A few years ago, I had a difficult week.
Oh, really?
Yes.
What happened?
I was very stressed.
That sounds difficult.
It was.
What did your friend do?
She listened to me and gave me advice.
That was kind.
Yes, it helped me feel better.
Good friends can make a big difference.
They really can.
I remember a similar experience.
Tell us about it.
I was nervous before an important interview.
That is normal.
Yes.
What happened?
My friend helped me practice.
That was helpful.
Very helpful.
Did you get the job?
Yes, I did.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Your friend sounds wonderful.
He is.
Friends can encourage us.
Exactly.
That's one reason friendships are important.
I agree.
Do you think it is easy to make friends?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why?
It depends on the situation.
That is true.
Some people are shy.
Yes.
Some people are very outgoing.
Everyone is different.
What advice would you give to someone who wants new friends?
I would say be friendly and smile.
Good advice.
Also, ask questions and listen carefully.
That helps people feel comfortable.
Exactly.
Another good idea is joining a club.
Yes, you can meet people with similar interests.
That makes conversations easier.
I agree.
Today, we learned that friendship is important.
Yes, and good friends make life better.
In the next part, we will talk more about friendship experiences, common English vocabulary about friends, and useful conversation practice.
Stay with us and keep listening.
We will be right back.
See you in part 2.
Welcome back, everyone.
We are happy you are still listening.
Today we are talking about friends.
Yes, friendship is a wonderful topic.
Sophia, let's continue our conversation.
Great idea.
Do you remember your first friend?
Yes, I do.
Tell us about that person.
Her name was Anna.
How old were you?
I was 6 years old.
That was a long time ago.
Yes, it was.
How did you become friends?
We sat next to each other in school.
Really?
Yes.
What did you do together?
We played games during lunch.
That sounds fun.
It was.
Are you still friends today?
Yes, we are.
Wow,
We do not meet often, but we still talk.
that is wonderful.
What about your first friend?
His name was David.
How did you meet him?
We lived in the same neighborhood.
That sounds nice.
We rode our bicycles together.
That must have been fun.
It was.
Childhood friendships are special.
I agree.
Friends help create happy memories.
Very true.
Do you think it is important to stay in touch with old friends?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because they know many things about our lives.
That is a good point.
We share many memories.
Exactly.
Sometimes old friends feel like family.
I completely agree.
Sophia, what do you usually do when you meet your friends?
We often go out for coffee.
Nice.
Sometimes we go shopping.
Do you enjoy shopping with friends?
Yes,
Why?
because we can talk and have fun together.
That makes sense.
What activities do you enjoy with your friends?
I enjoy watching movies.
What kind of movies?
Mostly comedy movies.
Those are fun.
They make everyone laugh.
I like comedy movies too.
Do you ever travel with friends?
Sometimes.
What is your favorite trip with friends?
A trip to the mountains.
That sounds beautiful.
It was amazing.
What did you do there?
We walked, took pictures, and enjoyed nature.
Wonderful.
What about you?
I traveled to the beach with my friends.
That sounds relaxing.
It was a great experience.
Friends can make trips more enjoyable.
Absolutely.
Let's talk about qualities of good friends.
Good idea.
What is the most important quality for you?
Trust.
Why trust?
Because friendship needs honesty.
I agree.
A good friend keeps promises.
That is important. What quality is most important to you?
Kindness.
Great choice.
Kind friends make people feel comfortable.
Very true. Kindness can make a friendship stronger.
I completely agree.
Another important quality is respect.
Yes.
Friends should respect each other.
Even when they have different opinions.
Exactly.
That is part of a healthy friendship.
Well said.
Thank you.
Have you ever had a disagreement with a friend?
Yes.
What happened?
We misunderstood each other.
That happens sometimes.
Yes.
How did you solve the problem?
We talked calmly.
Communication is important.
Very important.
Did everything become better?
Yes.
That is good.
What about you?
I also had a disagreement with a friend once.
How did you solve it?
We listened to each other.
That is a smart way.
It helped us understand each other better.
Good friendships can survive problems.
I agree.
Friends are not perfect.
Nobody is perfect.
Exactly.
Friendship is about understanding and support.
Very true.
What do your friends like about you?
I think they like that I listen.
Listening is an important skill.
What about you?
My friends say I am positive.
That is a wonderful quality.
Thank you.
Positive people make others feel good.
I try my best.
I'm sure your friends appreciate that.
I hope so.
Friendship can teach us many things.
Such as patience
And understanding.
and kindness.
And teamwork.
Very true.
We learn a lot from our friends.
Yes, we do.
Well, everyone, we have had another great discussion.
We talked about old friends, good qualities, and friendship experiences.
In the next part, we will learn useful English vocabulary about friends,
We will also practice grammar and speaking.
plus some questions for our listeners.
Stay with us.
We will see you in part 3. Welcome back, everyone.
Thank you for staying with us.
Today, we are talking about friends.
And now it is time for our learning section.
Great.
Let's learn some useful friendship vocabulary.
The first word is friend.
A friend is a person you like and trust.
Example, my friend helps me when I need support.
Very good.
The next word is best friend.
A best friend is your closest friend.
Example, Sarah is my best friend.
Excellent.
The next word is kind.
Example, my friend is very kind.
Kind people help others.
Yes, they do.
Another useful word is honest.
Honest means telling the truth.
Example, my friend is always honest.
Honesty is important in friendship.
Very important.
Another useful word is supportive.
Supportive means helping and encouraging others.
Example,
My friend is very supportive.
Great example.
Let's practice some simple sentences.
I have many friends.
My best friend is very kind.
We enjoy spending time together.
My friend always listens to me.
We have known each other for many years.
Friendship makes life better.
Excellent practice.
Now let's learn some grammar.
Great idea.
We often use have to talk about friends.
Example, I have 3 close friends.
Example, she has many friends.
Notice the difference.
Notice we say I have.
And we say she has.
Let's practice.
I have 1 best friend.
He has one best friend.
I have many friends.
She has many friends.
Very easy.
Very useful.
Another useful structure is my friend is.
Example, my friend is kind.
Example, my friend is funny.
Example, my friend is helpful.
Excellent.
These sentences are common in daily English.
Yes, people use them often.
Now let's practice pronunciation.
Good idea.
The word friend can be difficult.
Listen carefully.
Friend,
Friend.
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 Repeat after us. Friend.
Excellent.
Another useful word is friendship.
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 Great job.
Practice these words every day.
It will improve your pronunciation.
Now let's do some speaking practice.
Our listeners can answer aloud.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
How many friends do you have?
Think about your answer.
Who is your best friend?
What do you like about that person?
How did you meet your best friend?
What activities do you enjoy together?
How often do you see your friends?
What makes a good friend?
Try answering in complete sentences.
Speaking practice is important.
The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Exactly.
Sophia, what is the best thing about friendship?
Support.
Why?
Because good friends help us during difficult times.
I agree.
They celebrate our successes too.
That is true.
Friendship is about sharing life.
Beautifully said.
Thank you.
I think friendship makes people happier.
Me too.
Friends can encourage us to grow.
They can help us become better people.
Absolutely.
Friends teach us many lessons.
Such as patience,
Kindness
respect,
and understanding.
great lessons.
Yes.
Now we have a question for our listeners.
What qualities do you look for in a friend?
Is your friend kind,
Honest,
funny?
supportive.
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to hear from you.
And tell us about your best friend.
We enjoy reading your comments.
If you are enjoying this podcast,
Please don't forget to like this video
subscribe to our channel.
and share it with your friends.
Thank you for supporting us.
We truly appreciate it.
Sophia, I had a great time today.
Me too.
We talked about friendship,
Friendship experiences,
good qualities in friends,
useful vocabulary,
grammar practice,
pronunciation practice.
and speaking practice.
We learned a lot today,
I hope our listeners learned many useful English expressions.
and I hope they feel more confident speaking English.
Remember to practice every day.
Even a few minutes can help.
Keep listening,
Keep speaking
keep learning.
and keep growing.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode.
We will see you again soon.
Take care
Keep practicing English.
and enjoy time with your friends.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.